every SMAA component have solder voids. Take LED as an example. So, what happens if there are excessive solder void? Excessive solder voids leads to increase of electric resistance, followed by increase of thermal stress. This will weaken the solder joint and eventually lead to intermittent electrical connection or failure. To alleviate these issues, Opulent has been employing void-free solution in the manufacturing and assembly process. Several important processes must be undergone to achieve desirable solder void quality. These include circuit board design, Gerber creation, PCB material and surface finish selection, component selection, and stencil design. Furthermore, we offer customization of the reflow recipe and inspection system. Our solution adheres to the solder void control standards outlined in IPC 610. Moreover, we have successfully achieved a significant reduction in solder voids to below 2%, contributing to enhanced reliability and durability in electronic assemblies. This makes our solution crucial for industries that require top-notch soldering, such as automotive, medical devices, and aviation. Curious to know more about our void-free manufacturing solution? Get in touch with us today. Check out our website for extra details or shoot us a quick message. We're all about making electronic products perform better and last longer in different industries.